Phil N Florence. That's what this video is about. My condolences to the family. It was a shocker. Yeah, I'd say. I'm going to tell you something, a tribute that's going to go around on May 9th, May 9th, I believe. You have to go to Cooking with CJ to truly get all the answers about everything going on. But here's my take on it. Whoever wants to participate for Phil, Uncle Phil, whoever wants to participate for it, make a cook that he's cooked and add hashtag Phil N Florence. And what I'm going to also do before I tell my story, what I'm also going to do is up here I'll leave a link to the video last night. It was, I mean, the celebration video was probably an hour and a half long, but it's really good. You're going to tear up. You're going to tear up. And when Hurtful Booger gets on there, it's over. Booger, appreciate you. I do want to give props to CJ and Kent. Y'all held it together. Y'all did a good job. I'm really proud of y'all. Alright, so you make a cook, get it all edited up, hashtag it. Let's get them out on May 9th. But I would go over to CJ's channel. Go check out Kent also, Daddy Dutch Barbecue. He'll have more information because things change all the time on here now, don't they? Ooh. My story. So in Phil's last video, working in his garden, which I love his garden. You watch the beginning of that video and you'll be sucked in to watching his videos because that's the way he is.
It's nice to be able to walk out to the garden and pick a bell pepper and take it in and put it in the salad, or come out here and pick some okra to cook for dinner that night, you know, things like that. And of course sliced tomatoes, to come out and pick a few fresh tomatoes. I wish we could do that all year long. Okay guys, it's Good Friday.
It's the way he is. That's why he was popular. Now, if you noticed in that video, I mean, Papa learns from gardens also. He takes a pipe like this that someone taught him, and he had his little holes, and he stuck this down into the hole and he put one seed down. I'm like, my back's been hurting, but I'll tell you what, that is an awesome lesson.
Okay, you just put your pipe down in the dirt. You put that seed in the pipe, lift your pipe up, and there it is, right there. When you have two free hands, you can make good time, believe me. Anyway, it's down there.
I paused the video right then and there because I had this. Here, I'll show you the whole length of it, this PVC pipe. And see, it's got this teared off piece. So 5 years ago, a buddy of mine was over here and we were doing some work, and we took this out and put a new one in. And he said, "You want it?" Of course Papa wants it. Gigi was there. She says, "Nope, go throw it away." He went to the front. Where did he put it? In Papa's pickup truck in the bed. Yeah, it stayed in there for 2 years. I finally pulled it out and stuck it in the backyard with all my other crap. But I was gonna get with Phil because I was gonna make a video using it, because not only can I drop the seed in down there, I got a handle. He didn't have a handle. He was having to hold it here. I've got a handle on mine. Isn't that awesome? So anyway, Phil, every time I use this, I will be thinking of you. Second story. Go back and look at his Martinburg gourd. Sorry, I'm having to hold the camera. It's kind of windy. Go back and look, and you'll see the white gourds up in the air. and he fixed it and got it all cleaned up for this year. And I remember it last year. He's thinking about growing gourds this year, and that's making me go, when I saw that video, I might make some gourds too. But you know what? I'm gonna get with Phil, and I'm gonna try my best to make one of those. Now I would have to be making it without him, but I tell you what, I am going to look into it. I may make one. I may just take one gourd and paint it white like he's got his and just hang it. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But if I had a little gourd tree for martin birds, I'd be thinking about Uncle Phil. That's right. That's right. Good Christian man. Alright, that's what I have. The main part is May 9th, if you're willing, go over there and check out some of his cooking videos. He gained quite a few subscribers after last night. Go check out some of his videos and find a cooking video that you'd say, oh yeah, that sounds really good for you to remake in honor of Phil Rogers. Alright, Phil N Florence. I'm going to leave a link right over here to the video last night if you want to go see it. I'll leave a video, and it's heartbreaking. It's I was in there an hour early with a bunch of people. Charlie was in there and stuff, and we were just from what I was stunned when I found out. It was through a text from Booger. It just ruined the rest of my day to the point of work was over when I found out. I was done. Anyway, so that video will be right there, and then right here will be Phil N Florence. I'll leave you to his last video. I'm gonna leave a link to his last video right here, working in the garden, and you can go in there and leave your condolences to the family in the comments. That would be appreciated. CJ's got probably somewhere on there. He's got a PayPal where if you send it to there and put in there, you know, Piff and Jiff, or however you want to do it, he's gonna send all that money to the family. That's awesome. Help them out. And but anyway, so the garden video of Uncle Phil will be right here. Phil N Florence. Sorry, that became natural. Right here. And also, if you scroll down in there, you'll see Janet Rogers, and you can actually reply. That's his wife, and you could say a little something to her also. That's what Papa did. All right, we're gonna get through all this stuff, people. Life. It's things like that that bring us back to reality, don't it? Don't it? It's Papa. It's Papa, Texas. God bless their family. Bye. I had to cut in here real fast because I forgot to show something. I got my Piff hot sauce. Got my Piff hot sauce right there. I forgot to show y'all, so I had to come back and I'll add this into the video. You know, just the other day I told Phil, I said, Maddie and she won't let me try the hot sauce on video without her. I'm waiting on her because I can't see her. I'm not. Did I open it and make the video of it, or did I leave it sealed and leave this visible to me? Thank you, Phil. When I told him that, he said, it's okay. And everybody just, it's okay.
Until next time, this is Phil N Florence, and happy gardening. I see. Toby didn't even come out here to help me. Look at him up there. He's spoiled rotten.